Alright, take a look at the box. On first glance, this is simple design, nothing fancy, not even the phone image on top of the box, right? Just a wording of Honor 400, right? The phone model, Honor 400 on both sides, right? White background, gold wording, and that's it on the top. Just a simple Honor in gold wording, nothing much here. The back of the phone, you can see is clean and clear, white all the way to the bottom with some labeling indicates this is a recyclable material. And what about this the back, the bottom part of the phone, this serial number and the specs of the phone is indicated here, right? Honor 400, 256 gig of ROM, 12 gig of RAM, desert gold, that's why the wording is in gold color, and it supports dual SIM. This is impressive. Okay, this is the time to remove the plastic wrap, and this step is unnecessary for iPhone, but is for Android. Yes, there's a plastic wrap. Okay, this step that we'll do to unbox an Android phone. Okay, I'll cut it off. Alright. Okay, it's open now. Okay, first remove the wrap. In fact, I really appreciate this plastic wrap, right? As compared to the iPhone, it's just a box by itself, you know. Okay, let me unveil the real guy. Stick this box, that's why it takes a while to remove the whole cover. Yes, it's out. Oh, nice. Take a look at it. Oh, it's a bit different with Oppo. On top of the box is the phone. Previously, that was on top of the phone is the casing. I'm not sure if Honor will provide the casing. Oh, this on first glance, and it's quite handy. Okay, not too heavy, right? Light, yep. Maybe because of the size. Right, okay, let's put this aside first and let's see what's remaining on the box. You have the, okay, this is a tray to protect the phone, I suppose, right? And yep, you have a SIM pin to remove the SIM. Alright, oh, okay, it provides the casing, right? Okay, not bad. Honor also provide the casing, right? And finally, on the bottom layer of the box, this power brick. Oh, it's quite heavy. Oh wow, it supports 100 watt. Okay, it should be the high-speed charging, and the remaining will be the Type-C cable. Okay, C to C cable, I suppose. Let's see let's go back to the main guy. Alright, so I can remove the final paper cover on the phone and boot it up. Okay, let me move this gently. Suppose you okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let me put this aside. Okay, one more glance on the design of the phone. Nothing on the left hand side of the phone. Sleep wake button. Here, sorry, sleep wake button on the bottom. Power up, volume up, volume down button. Speaker on top. I suppose this is a microphone. Speaker on the bottom, and this is the Type-C port, SIM card slot. Right, at the back, 2 lands. This design is okay, not bad. Right, something similar, but it's a bit different. All right, same but different compared to iPhone. And there's a flashlight here. Right, desert gold, right? Not desert titanium. Right, there's a lens, camera lens, front camera on the front screen. We'll put it up right now. Okay, some haptic feedback button. The long press should be long enough to put it up. Honor powered by Android, right? Okay, Magic OS. Okay. Okay, this is the welcome screen. Let me try to get something. Oh, I think yeah, I better put back this tray. It's the welcome screen. And start to configure it. Okay, English. Sure. Okay, get started. Okay, let me continue the configuration. Sure. No SIM card is okay. Continue. Let me configure the Wi-Fi. Alright, it's connected to Wi-Fi. Just let it default. Choose a time. So, October. Okay, just let it be. Google service. Okay, don't use position. Sure. Alright. Don't send. Cancel. Okay. Set up later setting. No thanks. Data. No thanks. Data. Enable and continue. Finish. Alright. The configuration is completed and I've gone to the main screen, the home screen itself. Okay, later. Please set up your SIM. Okay. Alright, take a look at the UI, the so-called Magic OS, right? Okay, in terms of fluidity, quite good. Anyway, it's a new phone, right? This is my first Honor phone that I've unboxed. I need some time to explore it, and probably the UI itself is I think is a Google UI, so nothing really different compared to the Honor Oppo phone that I unboxed previously. You have Play Store for Honor, not bad. You don't have to go through the hanky-panky or some workaround to get it done. Let's look at the camera. Okay, I have to remove this. Okay, focusing. Let's take a look at the camera. Okay, agree upon. Okay. Oh, there's zoom features. Oh, alright. Okay. There's some tutorial telling me you can zoom. Alright, next. Okay, pull up for the imaging menu. Try now. Don't allow. Oh, take a look at the camera. Image quality. Some dusty here. Okay. Oh, swipe up for setting. Oh, alright, not bad. Oh wow. Okay, it has few preset pre-option, just like the iPhone. You have night mode, portrait, photo, video. They even have the Pro mode. Then you can configure the ISO, the SEV, AF, etc. Right? And right, you can also pull up and pull down to have different features of this camera. Right? Then you even have this. Take a look at the photo. The ordinary photo is support 4 types of mode or zoom. Right? You have the ultra wide lens 0.6, 1x, 2x, and it supports up to 4x. Right? Not bad for an Honor mid-range phone. Right? You can there's a HDR on top here. There's a setting that you can configure. Right? For this phone, video mode, you can see it support 0.7x, 1x, and 2x zoom. While you're on this mode, probably every of this imaging mode, you can also pull it up to have this to display this imaging menu, and you can choose whatever features you want. Right? This is a very smart UI. I think iOS 26 also have this similar design or user interface. Right? Alright, you can even detect if it's a human portrait. Right? Not bad. Okay, in terms of screen size, I have put it up both phone. You can see, right, on the old phone, the bezel is very much bigger, and the screen size is very much smaller, even though they have the same phone size, I suppose, but the resolution in terms of the color, the brightness, and the display size is very much different. New phone definitely much better than the old phone. I think the fluidity also uncomparable, right? So yes, this is a good phone, I suppose. If you were to compare with my previous one, definitely, right, this is a good buy, good upgrade, and the UI is much more advanced, much more forward. The UI is much more advanced and easier to use. Okay. Alright, one last step before I end my video. As promised, I will put in the casing for this new phone so that it stay protected. Alright. Okay, there's a user paperwork underneath. Alright. And put in this transparent casing. Alright, okay, it's out from the paper, the wrap, and yes, oh, it's okay. This is this is just a I think this is just okay. This is just a very simple silicone casing, very thin. All right, I doubt the protection of this casing, but nevertheless better than nothing. You feel that transparent casing is good because you can see the color of the phone even from different angle, right? And the casing is all the button is fully fit, right? Even on bottom, the speaker hole on top, speaker hole, microphone hole, charging port hole, everything is fully protected now. It's covered, not bad. I doubt the protection ability, but nevertheless better than nothing. Let's see how it goes in this case.